The strong factor of the wedge breakout in the Dow on Monday was evident because of the doji gap up best friend right to the resistance level. Made it very easy. When it opened positive on Monday, we knew to be buying immediately because now we are in the process of wave 3. The strength of the market is also illustrated in the best friend signal gap up in the NASDAQ, indicating the T-line was still going to act as a resistance level, or I'm sorry, a support level, and you could see the trend was still in an upward trajectory. So as long as the indexes are trading above the T-line, the high profit candlestick patterns are working extremely well. You can see the pattern setup in Apple, a bobble breakout where they came up here at the 200, failed, but note where they couldn't close it. They couldn't close below the T-line. Now Apple's trading back up above the resistance level, making for a prospect of a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, bobble, J-hook pattern breakout. These become extremely high probability trade setups. A breakout is evident in NVIDIA. You can see the J-hook pattern setting up, and you're right at this breakout level with a doji. Remember the simple doji rule. It's going to move in the direction of how they open after a doji. A positive open tomorrow would be a good indication that wave 3 was in progress, making the 200-day moving the average the likely target. So patterns that Western technical analysis identifies is even more evident when you're using candlestick signals, because note on this wedge breakout in form, you had a morning star signal and then a gap up. Remember, just the signal itself followed by a gap up is a very strong confirmation. The fact that they broke out of this wedge formation makes it that much more evident that there is now a new strong investor dynamic in this trend, making wave 3 the same prospect as wave 1. Viewing the signals, as we can see in SGEN, is also in a wedge formation with a bullish harami right smack dab off the 50, followed by a doji sandwich, which is a high probability bullish signal up through the T-line, telling us if they open this positive tomorrow, we've got a strong prospect that wave 3 will be in progress based upon the historic results of what usually happens after a doji sandwich. More upside. More upside would confirm that this downtrending wedge was not there anymore. We could be in wave 3 with the same magnitude as this wave right here. New strength in trends is very evident based upon candlestick signals. The best friend signal is a doji followed by a gap up, telling you there's a new strong demand after the indecisive trading. Also implying that once they broke this downtrending channel and supported at the 200 and gapped up above the 50-day moving average with stochastics coming up, this is all good prospects that wave 3 is in progress. And the measurement is either testing the recent high as the first target or wave 1 being equivalent to wave 3. Remember, candlestick analysis is merely the graphic analysis of what usually happens in human nature, putting candlestick investors in high probability trade setups with a high degree of probability of moving in the right direction with the added benefit of a high profit trade. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.